Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best chicken feeds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Scratch and Peck Feeds Organic Layer Mashed Chicken Feed. Our favorite chicken feed has balanced nutrition and high-quality ingredients and comes from a manufacturer with a proven track record. Scratch and Peck offers 11 varieties of organic chicken and duck feed, as well as several types of poultry treats, supplements, and kits. For most chicken owners, their original naturally free organic layer feed is the perfect option. In addition to the organic grains, flax meal, and other essential vitamins included in their organic feed, Scratch and Peck gets its protein from the black soldier fly larva, more commonly known as grubs. This protein-rich ingredient also offers minerals, essential amino acids, and enough calcium to strengthen eggshells. The combined formula contains 16% protein, which is an amount well-suited for egg-laying adult hens, aged 20+ weeks, especially those in need of extra protein when molting. In addition to its high-quality ingredients, Scratch and Peck maintains high levels of transparency, including certification as a B Corp, which sets rigorous standards for corporate accountability, charitable giving, and supply chain transparency. Even the protein grubs are grown in a sustainable way, with larvae raised on pre-consumer food waste that would otherwise end up in a landfill. Each bag of feed saves pounds of pre-consumer food waste from entering a landfill. Scratch and Peck organic chicken feed is also suitable for ducks, geese, and other waterfowl. It is available in 10, 25, and 50-pound shipments, with a 5% discount offered on repeat order subscriptions. Moving on at number 4, we have the Manna Pro Organic Starter Crumble Complete Feed. Chicken starter feed is meant for chicks that are a day old through 8 weeks of age. It generally contains a higher protein content than grower, layer, and broiler feeds. Made with 19% protein, Manna Pro Organic Starter Crumble's chicken feed is nutritionally complete, which means it's the only feed you'll need for the first 8 weeks of your chicken's lives. Make sure they have plenty of fresh, clean water and your feeding regimen is complete. Ingredients in Manna Pro Organic Starter Crumbles include organic corn, soybean meal, barley, wheat middlings, and soy oil. It also has all the necessary vitamin and mineral supplementation, including folic acid, niacin, calcium, riboflavin, and vitamins D3, A, E, and B12. Manna Pro offers both medicated and non-medicated versions of its starter crumble in 5 and 30-pound bags. At number 3, we have the Small Pet Select Chicken Layer Feed. Layer feeds are designed to provide healthy, balanced nutrition that also produces fantastic eggs. They tend to have a little less protein than starter and grower feeds but more calcium for strong eggshells. This feed offers an optimal formula with 18% protein and 2.5% calcium. These high-protein pellets, grains, seeds, and herbs are lightly basted with omega-3 fatty acid-rich vegetable oil. Small Pet Select Chicken Layer Feed is designed to be nutritionally dense, avoiding fillers like soy and corn. Instead, its primary ingredients are peas, followed by wheat, oats, millet, triticale, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and fish meal for protein. The manufacturer prides itself on using locally sourced ingredients. At number 2, we have the New Country Organics Classic Grind Layer Feed. Classic Grind Layer Feed Mash is New Country Organics' top-selling product and is also available as pellets, crumbles, and corn-free and wheat-free options. It's made with certified organic grains and has an optimal 17% protein and 3.5 to 4.5% calcium. The NCO Classic Grind Layer Feed is a cracked and milled grain supplemented with organic kelp and alfalfa, with extra calcium for eggshell strength. Organic flaxseed increases the omega-3 fatty acid content of the eggs. Certified organic by USDA certifier SCS Organic Services, New Country Organics puts a high priority on freshly produced feed and building relationships with small, organic farms. Their online tutorials are a great way to plan out an organic strategy for your own chickens. And finally at number 1, we have the Happy Hen Treats Mealworm Frenzy Poultry Treats. With a whopping 50% protein, these treats are a great way to supplement growing or egg-laying chickens. As the name might suggest, the protein in Happy Hen Treats Mealworm Frenzy comes entirely from whole, dehydrated mealworms with no added ingredients. They're easy to feed and a great choice for training and luring. They're naturally low in calcium, so won't upset the balance of your feed. As long as you don't mind handling dried mealworms, these are the perfect snack for your backyard chickens. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.